Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram Reels not working. So guys, if you want to click on a Reels and Reels are not playing or not working or unable to upload your Reels on Instagram, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network. And guys, after this you need to connect it again with your phone. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings again, scroll down and click on app management, and guys click on app list, and here you need to find Instagram. So guys, wait for a few seconds for finding Instagram. So guys, here you can see Instagram app. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and after this click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this you need to go back, and the third method is you need to update your Instagram. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store in that phone, and guys, here you need to search Instagram, and after this click on Instagram, and guys, you will find the option of update here. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not showing the option of update. So guys, if do not have updated your app, then you need to update your app from here. And after doing this you need to go back. The third method is you need to open your settings again. Fourth method is you need to scroll down, and here you need to click on system and click on reset phone, click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys, after this you need to first select sim1, click on reset, and select sim2, click on reset. And after doing reset network setting, then your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to show or watch or upload reels on Instagram. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys, you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, after this you need to click on your main profile, and after clicking on it you need to click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and scroll down, click on help. And after this guys, here you need to click on report a problem, and click on report a problem, and click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem that Instagram reels are not working, or if you have any kind of a problem related to reels, then guys, you need to write here. And guys, after writing here, you need to upload your screenshot in which you have facing the problem during reels. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to send your appeal, and guys, after sending your problem, within few hours your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to watch or see or upload reels on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.